Good morning, scholars. Today we are going to be learning about solving quadratic equations by graphing. So this is graphing is the first of the four methods that we're going to see on how to solve a quadratic equation. So let's just get right into it. So first we have this happy little quadratic equation right here. It's quadratic because we have a x squared, so a second degree polynomial on one side. Doesn't seem trivial because the x squareds aren't going to cancel, so we can solve it. So to solve this by graphing, what we're going to do is we're going to take the left-hand side of the equation, we're going to graph it, we're going to take the right-hand side of the equation, we'll graph it, we'll get a parabola, we'll get a line. Where the parabola and the line intersect will be our solutions. If they don't, they don't. No solutions. If they intersect once, one solution. If they intersect twice, two solutions. So let's see what we get. Let's click on our happy little Desmos graphing calculator here, and we'll type in our two equations. So I'm going to type in y is equal to x squared plus 1 to give us the graph of the parabola. So we're just adding back in the y's so that we know what our outputs are. They're both equal to each other because y is equal to x squared plus 1 is also equal to x plus 1. So it's kind of like a substitution problem. And then we'll just type in y equals x plus 1. And then we should see two solution points. So the first solution point appears to be 0, 1. The second solution point is at 1, 2. Oh, moved the whole thing there. There we go. All right, so, now we lost our solution points. 0, 1 and 1, 2. So our solution is x equals 1 and x is equal to 0. We only need the x coordinates of the 2 points because our original equation only had x's in it. So we don't actually need the y values. Let's try another. So here we're trying to solve this time two quadratics. So we've got a non-trivial quadratic on the left side, degree 2 polynomial with a b of 1 and constant term of 6. Then we've got another degree 2 polynomial. So this is going to be two parabola graphs. So same kind of thing. We're just going to go into our happy little Desmos calculator here. We're going to type in y is equal to y is equal to x squared plus x plus 6. Oh, not x sub 6. That's a different thing. X plus 6. There we go. Got that happy little graph. Now for the blue graph, we're going to type in the 2x squared minus x plus 3. So y is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 3. So now we can clearly see the two parabolas. And if we look closely and get the graph right, we should see the solution points. So it looks like one is right there at negative 1, 6. The other is up here at 318. So then we can go back over and actually write down our solutions. Don't know why this is in red, but whatever, just go with it. So x equals again, and we're only looking at the x values. So we've got an x value of negative 1 and an x value of 3. And there we go. We can put a box around that and call it a day. Super simple and easy. All the work that you need to show is just the graphing calculator output or how you would graph the parabolas without a graphing calculator. All right, hopefully this helps. Have a blessed day.